Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Safi Bella and I am here with another video for you. So today it's something totally different. I am going to do a product review. So I went to Target and I purchased Urban Hydration. I seen this on Instagram. This is the shampoo. I'm going to try it. I'm taking my braids out today. It's about time. I'm gonna cut them out and I'm gonna wash and condition my hair. I'm gonna show you how I diffuse it because naturally my hair is curly. I'm going to use one of my favorite products that I put in my hair to tame my curls and flyaways. Okay guys, so I see you later. I'll be back. Bye. All right, so I cut the ends of it. I'm going to take the braids out now and I'll be back. I'm going to wash my hair with Urban Hydration Honey Health and Repairing Shampoo. This is it. Why is it not focusing on it? Yeah, there it goes. All right, that conditioner, and then I'm going to put this moisturizer in my hair. This one is a softening detangler and style daily moisturizer. Again, I got this at Target and each of them was $10.99. Not bad for the size. All right, I'll be back. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm back. I just finished washing and conditioning my hair. I just want to say the conditioner, not even the shampoo. Let me show you. It has, the shampoo has veggie glycerin, ginger, essential oil, pro vitamin B5, and aloe leaf, right? I love that. Like, I'm super for it. I need that, but it's not soapy enough. I need more soap. So it was really light. And then yes, of course, there's honey in it. It was really light. The same thing for the conditioner. The scent was really subtle. It wasn't strong. I like a little strength in my scent. So let's see how my, you know, hair ends up with the curls. This is it wet. I'm just going to put my favorite, what is this? All right, so this is my favorite thing to put. It's like a hair jelly. It is, I don't know if you guys can see it. Honey Curls by Miss Jessie. Sweet almond oil and honey. I love this stuff. I put it in my hair and then I use my diffuser to blow dry my hair. This is my diffuser. I've had it for a very long time and it's been so good to me. Solano. So I'm gonna put this in. I don't usually put like moisturizer in my hair before I blow dry it because it weighs my hair down. So I just run it through my hair like that. You could see a difference already. Look at that versus this side. You see? It's more like tamed. Yeah, look at that. This stuff is life, guys. Target, get it. Honey Curls, Miss Jessie. Let me try. I just have it in my hand. I'm just gonna put it through my hair. Look at that. Oh my god. I do put it in the back of my hair. I split my hair in the back. Yeah. Make sure you get most of the hair. I don't mind a little frizz, right? It makes my hair bigger. But I don't want too much, so I do get my edges because those frizz up really quick. So yeah, look at that. I have a lot of gray hair, so I need something that's gonna help tame that because the gray is more coarse than my regular hair. I actually drench my hair in this stuff. This stuff is light. But yeah, and it doesn't cake up, you know, like tomorrow if I want to add more to it I can without it getting all flaky and stuff, and it smells so good. So now before I put any oil in it I kind of blow dry it out a little. Look at that. My curls is coming back. Let me just adjust the lighting so you guys can see it. Look at that. Oh, my hair is back. Okay. So I'm going to, I bought this blow dryer. My other one blew out and I bought this blow dryer from the beauty supply store. I paid $10. Look, I still have the box. I keep my boxes. $9.99. It's light. It does everything I need it to do. I don't put too much heat on my hair anyway. I'm gonna put my diffuser on it if I can get it on. Okay, got it. Let's go. So I start off low and I just kind of just put my hair in it, and I don't want the curls to get frizzy, so that's why I bought a diffuser and it actually works. Yeah. All right guys, I'm back. So my hair isn't fully dry yet, but it's dry enough for me. I don't want to have too much heat to my hair. Most times I just wet or like wash and go, but if I'm in a rush and I have to get this look that I'm going for, I use my diffuser and my blow dryer. And you always have to have a hair pick. Girls with curls need hair picks, honey. I've always put it in to fluff up these curls. It's still kind of wet in the roots, but just showing you guys how I go and do the... Oh yeah, it's working, honey. See, don't be afraid. I don't comb through it, but I do lift my roots up. Look at that. So I give this product about, what should I give it? 3 stars. 3 stars. I mean, my hair feels great. It wasn't soapy, but it's still full and it smells fresh. So I mean, again, if you're looking for something soapy, this is not the one for you. Or something with scent, definitely not the one for you. Yeah, so bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button because you don't want to miss out on anything that I post. All right, and I'm gonna leave all the information for everything that I used on my hair in the description, and the site that I got this robe from. Look how cute it is. Ooh. Yeah, bye guys.